Okay, so now we will be looking at chapter 14, number 14 on the ungraded homework. And let's just go right into it. It says the Bradford Company issued 12% bonds dated January 1st with a face amount of 92 million on January 1st, 2024. So let's write down our face amount of 92 million. And we have a face interest rate with that with 12%. So the bonds mature 10 years. Okay. The market rate is 14%. So with this information, is it semi-annual or is it okay, semi-annual. Okay. Okay, semi-annual bonds. Okay, so with this information, we can go ahead and find our N and we can find our I. Your I would be 1/2 the market rate, and your N would be 20, which is twice the number of years. Okay. We're starting to get into this problem, so we're going to PV the note. That'll be the first thing we do. So, it was 92 million, right? Okay. Let's make sure it wasn't 90 million. 92 million times our PV factor. Let's go ahead and get our PV factor from our chart. PV. Our N was 20 and our I was 7. So here and right here. 0.25842. Sorry, 25842. Okay, so we just multiply these two numbers together. $23,774,640. Okay, let's just draw a box around that number. Okay, so now we can PVA the interest. So, how do we do? Oh, let me just fix this. I don't know why it always resets like that. So PVA the interest. How do we get the interest? We multiply the face amount. Multiply that by our face rate. Then we multiply that by 6/12 since it's a semi-annual bond, and semi-annual means twice a year. Okay, 5.52 million. That should be, okay. That will be our interest. That will be your interest. So we just have to take the PVA factor of that. We said N equals 20, I equals 7. So it'd be 10.59401. and we get 58 million. Okay, 58,478,935. That would be your other number, and if we remember correctly, we just add these two numbers together. Let's see. 58,478,935 plus 23,774,640. We get 82,253,575. And this is the price of the bonds. Price of bond. Super important number. We're going to come back to this. All right. So we're going to do our first journal entry. For the problem, and it's going to go like this. Cash, discount on bond payable, and bond payable. So cash is going to be this 82 million right here. It's going to be debited. Bond payable is simply going to be the face amount of 92 million. And your discount on bond payable is going to be the balancing of this. So let's take 92 million and subtract 82,253,575. We'll get 9.746425. 7462425. Okay, quadruple check that. 9746425. Yes, that's correct. That'll be our first journal entry. And we can go ahead and create our table here. And let's just use our acronym D C E B O. B O. So date. This will be the date of issuance. We'll just call it 1/1/24. Okay. This is cash. What do we put on cash? We put the interest, so 5.52 million. We're not going to put anything there yet. So this is going to be no, no. Okay, and this 82,253,575 goes right here. 253,575. Yep. So what do we put on the effective? We're going to put our 7% here. Market rate 14%, 7% per payment. So we're going to get to 630.24. And we're going to take the outstanding balance from the previous line, and we're going to multiply it by 7%. How much time do I have? What in the world is this? Oh, it's 10 minutes. Okay. 253,575 times 7%. Let me just retype that. Okay. 57, 57, 750. And we subtract these two. So this is the difference. The balance is the difference. $237,750. Might have to make a second part to this video. $82,491,325. Let me just drag the calculator over here so I can see it. 491. I'm writing too big and I'm running out of room. Okay, so that will conclude that part. And we have 12, 31, 24. This is going to be 5.52 million again. We're going to take this period, multiply by 7%. And we get 5,577,4,393. All right, so we're going to balance this out again, just like before. $254,393. And just like before, we add this back to the principal, this number right here, 82,491,325 equals 82,745,718. All right, check the time one more time. 13 minutes. Oh, wait, we might actually finish here. So we will do 6:30. Gotta go quick. This is our journal entry. It's gonna go interest expense, discount on bonds payable. Probably won't finish here though. Shoot. And bond payable. Sorry, not bond payable. Cash. So we're going to do the journal entry for 6:30. So that's the middle one. So our cash is just cash, 5.52 million. Your effective is going to be the interest expense, effective interest. So 5,757,750. And your balance is going to be the discount. So 237,750. Okay, so now we're going to do 12, 31, How much time left? Okay, next part.